Good morning. Welcome to the hostage kidnapping the organized crime. We're talking about smart, engineered, doctored, organized crime. Lab rat, kidnap, beautician. We're going to start with self-reliant and what a sham that really is because of the notion of dependence and independence and vanity. There's any number of ways to justify criminal action. I mean, the main part of the game these days seems to be surround yourself with credibility. It's that halo effect. With the organized crime these days, they use clean handlers. They're robots. They put a nobody dullard in a very high profile position whose strings can be pulled. And that way, the hands are, it's like that Godfather, they got the hand on the cross pulling the puppet strings. Well, that's what's happened to us. But I'm hogtied. I'm not allowed any sort of control. I'm dependent. I am force dependent because I have actually the most to lose. But then again, those that are independent, I'm in charge of keeping that's where the Jacob Valero money laundering, money exchanger comes in, is you got to validate the cash. See, corruption in the United States is all that fucking matters is you got a diploma? Hey, you can be God. You got a diploma? Who gives a fuck who you are? Blood is worthless shit. Blood is fucking worthless. All that matters, what you got on, boy? What you wearing? You got some motherfucking Armani? You must be the motherfucking Pope in America. It don't matter. You got a goddamn DMV driver's license. You can drive the fucking Popemobile. Who gives a fuck who you are? If you can go in there and cheerlead, get you a whole bunch of Pied Piper rats to follow you, you can be motherfucking God of America. They don't get blood is worthless fucking trash shit in America. All you need is a goddamn diploma from God Almighty Teachers Union and a driver's license. And don't forget credit. It's all about you got to stay good and clean. But see, somebody that's worth something. That's why I was sabotaged, because they could drill into my ass. They're addicted. Them passion fruits are addicted. It's like Marcellus Wallace getting his ass pounded by Zed in the pawn shop basement. That's my story of my life. Get my ass pounded for freedom. Independent freedom, ass pounding, passion fruit, reverent beautician. Ain't it so sweet how pretty I make your hair look while you're pounding my ass, you big old independent mighty USA brute. So it goes back to it's the system. It's everybody's fair, but it's really a goddamn bank robber. It's fair, reverent bank robbery. What they're after is independent money laundering to fence the stolen loot. It goes back to all sorts of things. They want to kill the Catholic Bank. That's all Louisiana is. Louisiana is the bitch slave because it's a big hole right into the Latin American assets and European assets. So then, what they think is they got my mother's crazy fucking family, and they're puppeted strings around. I mean, come on, puppet strings. Obviously, the fucking Baptists wanted to be independent. That's who's at the heart of this fucking debacle, charade, sham that's all. But they had to bring in some muscle. They had to bribe some of the five families of the real mafia, So they got the Presbyterian wedding in Texas. And then, what a coincidence, organized crime. There's a fucking independent Presbyterian church on Bull Street. Wow, that's a fucking miracle. I mean, wow, that is a fucking miracle on Bull Street, right across from 1788 Department of Education. location. You know, what? Right next to Forrest Gump Park. Woo! That must be a fucking miracle sign from the fucking heavens. Or is it organized crime, premeditated murder, and bank robbery? Probably. That sounds a little bit more correct. So they had to bring in the Presbyterians. See, the Presbyterians connect up there in New York City on 69th Street. They got that. Well, Cornell, which is where the Omega hack started. That's what's killing me, is the Cornell is the poison. And, you know, who gives a shit? You got a fucking knife in you? We're gonna pray like God to that motherfucking knife that's stabbed in your back. You know, that, or the spear that's through, the kryptonite spear. We ain't gonna fix it. We're gonna pray to that kryptonite spear. We ain't gonna fix it. But we're gonna pay for all this medicine. So it goes all the way up there to Cornell Presbyterian Hospital on Sloan Kettering, the Weil Foundation on 69th Street. There in New York, the Upper East Side, where the Gossip Girls are. So you got the connection of Cornell with the Omega hack and the Presbyterian Church. Independent. Wow! That must be a miracle. Woo! And, you know, that ain't no organized crime or something. That's called manufacturing. We're going to call it manufacturing or manufacturing. So then they had to screw the other part of my family. So then they got my sister to go to the Methodist school. Oh, wow. Wesley, John Wesley. There's a big old statue right next to the Pink House, right next to the Lucas Theater on Congress Street. Oh, that makes it valid. This is just Congress appropriating the global assets. You know, they're all right. You know, they are everything they do, they can never be wrong. Because they got some real VIP hostages, you know. So you got Wesley founded Methodist Church, big Wesley statue here in Savannah, and it's Southern Methodist University. So then I even paid for a little beautician there, so I got strangled and choked to death my entire life. I'm dying, bubble boy, choked to death. But that's just reverence. That's freedom of religion. You know, we're going to bypass the ascension. We don't believe in the ascension. We're going to use Jesus as a fucking welcome mat. He's going to be our chauffeur, you know. We believe in independence. That's what it's all about. Independence. So then you got the Methodist Church involved because of Southern Methodist University. So then you got to, well, that's where the cheerleaders come in. And see, you got that varsity cheerleader and the Jacob Valero Jr. varsity division. That's another lock and key to lock the principal out so you can distribute the stolen loot. So you got the Campbell and Herky varsity cheerleaders. So it was desperate. So they had to bring in some heavy weights. So that's why they got the Bush Library there at SMU. But that also is necessity for the massive cover-up. That's the cover-up there. Then you tie it. My sister was stacked deck. They turned her into this super monster. I mean, she's like a massive bank. But it's my family's assets, but we can't have any of them. They locked us out of they basically said, we put a gun to your motherfucking head, you go outside while our dogs fucking murder you for a sport. We gonna watch our dogs murder you, because Michael Vick goes to jail for dog fighting UGA 9, but we gonna let you get fucking murdered locked out by the doors while we're robbing your bank. Now that is some VIP motherfucking organized crime right there. That shows you who the real untouchable fucking mafia of the world. Yeah, fuck those little fucking Russian piece of shit pussy mafia. Fuck those pussy Arabs. Fuck those pussy Italians. Fuck those pussy Hispanic mafia, the real motherfucking mafia in the world, the untouchable. You don't mess with the goddamn Dixie Mafia in Savannah. Savannah is the new motherfucking Mecca of the fucking world. So then, it's all about corruption, forgery. Oh, it's freedom of religion in the name of the Lord with the VIP gold cards, the Notre Dame gold cards, the Kappa Alpha Theta in Indianapolis. Indiana's a big fucking well system. That's the other part of digging. Louisiana goes in one part, the back of the vault, and Indiana goes in the front of the vault, and they're basically just looting gold. But it's all about worshiping the system at any cost. No, there's no standards here. Nothing really matters except for you got you a driver's license from the DMV and you got you a degree. Hey, that's all that matters, you know. That's why they had to shoot me and start that little fox and hound bounty hunter thing so they could take it away. It's all about take away from the source to be dependent or independent. So then you got all these wizard degrees. It's a stack deck. So let's see, they lower me, which I'm a very high rank. So they lower me down and then put all these nobodies on top of me. So they pile them full of nobodies. Then they get a bunch of health care, which I provide. And they get beautician, which I provide. And then so they stack the deck. It's like a ladder. It's that Stairway to Heaven, Led Zeppelin. They just, it's a big old stack. They go show you Dixie Mafia style lasagna. So it's this huge, inflated house of cards stacked deck. That's why they had to destroy the global economy by printing tons and tons and tons of paper. There's no standards here. Nothing really matters. If you got a DMV card, you can do anything you want. No, it don't. It's freedom, you know. Freedom, freedom, freedom. So it's worshiping the populace at any cost. Accounting is a fucking joke. Law is a fucking joke. If you go to American Idol, that's all that American Idol is. God, you know. If you can get do some cheerleading, you can get the crooked fucking media to brainwash the public into thinking anything. Hey, it don't matter. Populace is all that matters. Accountability is a fucking joke. That's why the global economy is royally fucking screwed, because you got a bunch of American Idol and cheerleaders running the show. Accounting is a fucking joke. Law is a joke. Math, we don't like math. We'll let the Chinese do the math while they make all our Walmart toys to prove we the master, you know. They make our toys for our fat little kids, and you the master. You know, or you gotta, it's really, really one of the, just crazy, crazy stupid. It's like just a severe, severe drug addiction. I mean, well, the problem is, the corruption is all all you need is a driver's license, you know, license to fucking kill everybody, you know. It doesn't really matter who you are. Like I said, blood is worthless. It's skin, you know, that's why they worship magazines, you know. It doesn't matter what's inside. If you can it's like that Public Enemy song, yo, bum rush the show. That's what happened. A whole bunch of fucking nobodies stormed it. And they took over. So now it's, you know, lost control. And because of the posture and poise, nobody can admit anything went wrong. They love the system, even though it's completely corrupt and anything like that. But it's clean, organized crime.